Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. I might have pronounced it wrong, I'm not sure. It's a new casting, as you can see it's new for 2025. The casting is a Matchbox, and if I'm not wrong it's an electric car. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Cadillac out of its box, and there are a few nice details on this one. I do like those. So let's start from the driver's side since we're already there. The wheels we have seen on so many different Matchbox throughout the years, and I think kind of suits here because Cadillac does. I've seen some Cadillac with chrome wheels. I'm not sure if this one comes with that, but looks alright. Also on the side you can see here's the charge port door. So it's an electric car. It's got a very coupe-ish kind of shape. Reminds me of Lambo Urus kind of shape. Reminds me of that, not exactly, but yeah. Also you got this rear view mirror. Beepler is done in plastic, not like the metal part. You also have this black cladding going from all the way to the back. Also you can see the shark fin antenna here. Let's go to the front. Up front, again, good details here. As you can see, it's got the badge, the grille, which doesn't have any opening because it's an electric car. Headlamp and this crazy looking signature lamp or DRL lamp there. Some good details up front. Even the lower grille and all that is detailed. So you've got both the rear view mirrors and windshield wipers. It's all glass from front to back. I don't think Cadillac actually does that. I think there's like a metal piece here. The Matchbox want to show it like that, so that's alright. Let's go to the passenger side. Looks almost identical. Only difference, I don't see a charge port door here. Let's go to the back. Again, some good details on the back. You can see detailed tail lamps. These look like stop lamps on the side. I'm not sure if those are part of the tail lamps or something else. It might be the tail lamp and this might be the stop lamp. You also got the Cadillac badge. You got the Lyriq badge, number plate. It's Cadillac. No exhaust tips, obviously. And you got a spoiler in the back and the antenna and a big sunroof. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, well, for a mainline, it's a nice looking casting. It's got some good details. Looks really good, and I think will make a good addition to the collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.